Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about the AVON Protection System C50 gas mask. The C50 gas mask is offered by AVON in a line of other gas masks, the M50, M51, and M53, but specifically the C50 is in a series of masks that are marketed towards law enforcement and the military, which uses the base design of the M50 mask only with 40mm filters. AVON produces a myriad of filters that can be used with this mask, the M53, the PC50, and so on. I usually see the C50 with the carriers similar to the M50s, only it's in black material. I'm not really sure what this carrier is used for. The only way it hooks onto anything is this with this little fabric hook here. It just looks like you hook it on and it would hang, I guess, on a shelf and you distribute it from there. I've seen AVON have these same carriers with FM12s, though otherwise this really would only be used for just storage, nothing practical. You wouldn't take this out actually to use in the field or anything like that. Opening the carrier has two little compartments, one to hold your mask, one to hold your manual, and that's it. I mean, you could probably fit a filter in here if you put it inside the mask, but putting a filter on the mask and putting it in here, I don't think that would work. So taking the manual out. The manual is pretty thick too. It's the AVON APR user instructions. It actually has everything you need to know. Maintenance, different language. It even has it in different languages. So really nice book. Really useful. I haven't seen these too much being sold on their own. Then you have the mask itself. Like I said before, this mask uses the base design of the M50, only incorporates 40mm filter stems on either side, and if you have the tool that AVON provides, you can switch it from left to right-handed shooters. This is something that I don't necessarily like about this mask, is that yes, you do need a tool to switch it from left to right-handed shooters, which is a little tool you'd grip with two fingers, with three prongs and one larger prong in the middle to insert there, and then you just twist it like a little plug. A lot of countries just don't use this design quality. You don't really need a tool. You just twist it off, and a user could do it. A lot of times the tool doesn't come with the mask. You have to order it separately. That's something you have the AVON there, the C50, some information. Mine was made in 2007. As you can see there. Nice thing about this mask is that it uses the same outserts. It's all compatible with the same outserts with the M53, M50, PC50, etc. So if I had any outserts from the other masks, I could just put it on here and it'll be fine. I also use the same canteen adapter as the FM12, M50s, and so on. The filter stem. And I'm not sure if I said before, but this mask is also used by the military and law enforcement. Seaburn units use the C50, and there's also they use this mask hooked up to a PAPR blower unit, or just as the C50 alone. And law enforcement use it for riot control and so on. Really am a big fan of the skullcap head harness. A really nice quality about it. Not really elastic, but it does span the entire base of the back of your head. The harness itself is elastic, very firm elastic, and as an adopted from the FM12 gas masks, the little clips on the sides of the straps here, and on the temple you have two Velcro retainers. And so yeah, not much else is really different about this mask. Otherwise, you can still hook up comms to it. You can still hook up microphones. and etc. Biggest difference in the C50 to the M50 is the fact that it is 40 millimeter. This is pretty much a basic kit for a C50. It's not really all that intricate. Just gonna lay it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the C50. It's kind of like a really quick 6-7 minute video on kind of talking about it, showing it. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see any other gas mask reviews or any of the masks in my collection, just leave a comment. And if you want to see more, subscribe.